Alright guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to be putting like a little frame on the bottom of these cabinets. You see I have wheels on them. I don't know if it shows up in the camera there, but I got wheels on them. But I put so much stuff in them and they're very, very cheap. This is like the cheapest kind of lockers you can get. And they're about 180 centimeters tall. They weigh next to nothing. But I wanted wheels on it, so I just put wheels on there, and the metal is just not holding it up at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a frame out of wood, and then I'm going to put the whole cabinet into the frame, and then I'm going to put wheels on the wooden frame. You see how it's all kind of not straight? It's kind of given in there. So that's not working out. As usual, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going to wing this. I'm not the best at woodworking. I'm not the best at anything, to be honest. But I'm willing to try. And that's the most important thing. All right, so 90. So I want the full front end. I don't want end pieces sticking out to the front. So it's gonna have to be 90 plus the width of the board, which is, I said 28, right? It's not. It's 22. All right, so 94.4. So we'll make 2 of those. Actually, we'll make 4 of those because we need 2. Let's double check that. 4.5. That's good enough. There we go. Important to keep the original right here. You want to undercut it ever so slightly because it gets a little bit bigger when you copy it. Keep the original. So now we got 4 of those. Now we need to make, and these are going to be exactly 40 then to keep the sides. The plan here then is to put them like so. And if all my math is correct, I should have 90 in here, which I do. Wow. 40, look at that. Pre-drill and then get some good long screws in there. So, where's my drill bits? No. Those are packed down in boxes, aren't they? Shit. Well, I'm just gonna have to go find some. So I got the drill bits, I got the screws, I got the drill itself with a fully charged bat. Like, how often does this happen? Hopefully, we won't split this thing. That's as far as I dare to go with that. That is a long frickin' screw too. So, I've got both of them done. So now I need to figure out how we're gonna do this. Are we gonna put a 90 across here? Like just lay it on top and then screw the wheels onto that? Or are we gonna do 2 40s like that? So if we do 2 40s like that, then you're gonna see it from the front and from the back. And it's not really gonna look that good. And, oh yeah, there's one more thing to consider. Actually, you might want to be able to open the doors, and that's at 65 5, I would say, so that's not gonna work. We're gonna have to make 2 more of these 40s, put them inside, or else that'll be too tall. Because if I put a plank like that, then this lip is gonna become 70 up on there, and it's only allowing 65. All right, so we have our boxes, or the bottoms of it. So now we need to get the wheels off of those. That's not good. I did reinforce the inside of this with steel, but it obviously didn't help. There's one done. Oh, this is gonna be great. I can just feel it. Look at that. That is freaking amazing. Just like I wanted it. So now we just have the problem of putting this into there by myself. Should be interesting. Maybe I should take the shelves out. Well, you might need to massage that in a little bit. Look at that. That's much better than that. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Ha det gött! Hej!